Shut some butt shit and I fly the cake off. Rockin' the money.
Welcome back to another video, welcome back to another POV, and look what we got with us. This is the carry that we're gonna have today. Gonna do this POV with my guys, man. We got 300 done, Shaker, and then we got the Striker SRT. Striker SRT. As y'all can see, man, still messed up from when he spray painted it, but it's all good. And guess what we don't have? Front bumper. So we're gonna go drive POV with the AR, man. Cut up in traffic. Go from there, man. See, man, we're gonna have it right there. Should I put the red gut seatbelts on it? Start this bad boy up, man. Or should I put it right here? How should I carry y'all? It's in the way. It's in the way. We're gonna just leave it in the right there. Let me get out some revs, man, so y'all can hear it. It's one of them. It's one of them for sure. But yeah, man, we finna go ahead and do this POV cutting up. Catch y'all in a little second, man. You don't want smoke. Go ahead. Oh my God! Oh my God! I just got left! First off, guys, I didn't downshift. Doesn't count. Doesn't count. Them boys going too stupid. I am not gonna play with them. I got no headlights. Man, that tune is so loud, guys. So I can downshift the thing, guys. This is all CGI, guys. This is AI, not real. .7 with the headers on it sound nasty. Got the Striker up, man. Shout out to you, man, for making my car a Striker. Shout out to you, bro. This is gone. There's no bumper. We got a different color bumper. That's not your personality. Oh, man. Little 300s. You said what's wrong with it, bro? You think so? How much you think I paid for it? Damn. I paid 4,000. 4,000. You don't believe me?
Yeah,
bro, I paid 4,000, bro. Bro, you gotta look me up on YouTube, bro. SRT AJ, bro. Look me up, bro. I be with them. Okay, see, that was disrespectful. That was oddly disrespectful. they not here, but I be with them, you know, like. He said, fuck you, SRT AJ. What the niggas that not watch that? Damn, cuz. YouTube, I'm finna race him.
That's CJ.
If he beat me in a race, I'm finna go to his trenches and cut up with him in the passenger seat, man. If he don't, then I'm gone.
Hold on, no, he cheated.
He's obviously cheating. First off, chat, look at his shoes, cuz.
No,
You know I'm gonna lose.
He do got the black
No,
horses.
You got black horses on, chat.
I got better shoes at home. We don't talk about
You gotta put him in sport mode, folks.
Gotta put him in sport.
Please don't trip like an old head, right?
He tripping fast.
Hey,
That shit gonna be
you know
hella
niggas-
I'm
funny.
getting old, cuz.
Come on, look, on bro.
5, 6, go.
Oh yeah, he cooked them. Oh! No! Oh God, y'all slow as fuck. You gotta beat him, bro. You should have took the jacket off and everything. I show speed next.
I show speed when you come to St. Louis. You race me for my car. I've been seeing all your clips saying that you want the car. I got it. It's right there. And it's underground too.
He tired.
Read how the fuck I keep getting booked. Car white, but it say black when you getting cooked. I swear to God, any artist signing me, they getting pushed. She say, why you?
A little bit. Dumb boy, crazy. I don't know where we going, man, but we downtown right now. Cutting up, man. With that AR on me. Man, I don't know what that striker is. Gotta be a strike. Oh, hell no. He's doing a burnout. Yeah, he has to get behind me. He has to get from behind me. Hell no. Jogging. What you got going? Man, we just cutting up doing a POV video, that's all. What's the word later? Y'all getting outside? Damn. I'm gonna pop out later, yeah. Nah, text me on Instagram. All right, text me. I don't know what they got going on. They running too many lights in this early in the day. Hell no. But y'all acting too bad for me. I'm scared. Yeah, but I'm scared. It's a camera right there. Oh my God, that's loud. I don't like being behind no car that don't got Brembos. But we got all the RPM boys with us. I don't know where we going, but we got the RPM boys with us. I don't know where we're going, guys. y'all, man, it's kind of getting dark outside. I have no headlights, so probably gonna wrap this video up pretty soon, but you can't tell me this ain't a good carry, man, to cut up and an SRT with, man. It don't get no better than this. Don't chat, y'all see I got that motherfucker ain't bob me down. Instead of putting it in the passenger seat, it was flying everywhere. Hopefully it don't fly everywhere now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this boy home because I have no headlights and can't see. Trying to focus, I can't see. Cannot see, I have no headlights, y'all. But stay tuned for that video. We gotta be doing something. Oh, this boy about to fall. Dog. Boy, 300 dog. He finna cut up for y'all boys. Yo, I don't know what just happened. I don't know what just happened, but my transmission is still tripping, y'all, and I just put a new one in here. I think I just need to get it reflashed by Dodge or take it back to underground, y'all. I just don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, chat. We gotta get that fixed ASAP. I couldn't even slide, guys. It says service ECU or something like that. So I'm gonna figure out what that is, y'all, so we can go back to sliding and cutting up for y'all boys, man. Car is so junky, boy. Hey man, that's gonna end the video. My car is tweaking out and I don't know why, but appreciate the guys for being with me, man. I had no headlights, so shout out to them boys, man. Y'all like this video, subscribe, stay tuned. Fuck yeah! Yeah, man. Shout out to them boys, man.
A lot of this shit not normal. 100 racks cash, that shit not real.